My family believes I can cook anything to satisfy their cravings, and I have just one job today to prove them right. If you want to see how I made this delicious pizza, then keep watching. Hello and welcome back to the channel. To our returning and new subscribers, you all, thank you. Today we'll be making this delicious pizza and I will try to link everything in the description box. So first off, we went in with yeast, a little bit of sugar and then warm water. We're mixing that and going in with about 3 cups of flour. One thing with African women is we just put the ingredients until we hear stop from our ancestors. So don't blame us if you see us just putting things without measuring. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. Put it in the comment section if you can. I like to put in some milk. So basically you just want to achieve a dough, something you can chew like you're making a bread. So that's what will be your pizza base. And so after that I add a bit of nutmeg for more flavor, and we're just going to work our way through to make this dough smooth. You may choose to use your mixer at this point because this process will test your patience, so just prepare ahead. All you need is more flour and more patience. So you need that until it's no longer sticky, and then you place that into a bowl and add oil. Some persons may decide to add oil into their dough, but I chose to put it at the end to avoid further complications. So you just cover that and allow it to rest. Next, you want to start with your sauce and your toppings. So we'll be making our tomato sauce with tomatoes, 1 scotch bonnet peppers, basil, ginger, lots of garlic clove, and even the garlic stalk. So you want to blend that until it's smooth, and then you heat up oil in the pan. You go in with that and you put in your favorite spices. For me, I just put white pepper, onion powder, paprika, and 1 seasoning cube. One thing I do not skip is my tomato puree to give it that tangy kick. And then you cook on low to medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, and that is ready. In another pan, heat up some oil and you go in with your onion and pepper mix. Throw in your favorite seasonings like we did before and just saute that for a little bit. Now you want to introduce your protein. Any protein of choice is fine, but I'm using minced beef for this. Go ahead and break down your beef. Make sure you're cooking on high heat this time until it looks like this. If you have watched this video to this point, that means you're enjoying the video and you love our recipe. Kindly tell us where you're watching from in the comment section so we can give you a heartfelt hug in our next episode. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video to your loved ones. We love you as always. Now this is the most interesting part of the video, the layering step. So you need to put everything out for easy assembling. You need your breadcrumbs, your cheese, you need your tomato sauce that you've prepared, you need bell peppers or any other toppings of your choice. Now you want to knead your dough, make sure it's not sticky, and this dough would give you 2 large pizzas. So you just want to cut that and you work on one part and go ahead to work on the other part. So you just want to roll the pizza out, make sure it's all nice and stretched. Proceed to start topping up. I will leave you now to enjoy the rest of the video. Please and please pay close attention to all the steps. Every detail is so important. Thank you so much guys for sticking with us throughout this journey of making this pizza. We love you and we know God loves you more. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Enjoy the rest of the video.